In this video, you're going to learn how to get $50 of free ad credit for LinkedIn. Now, you can use this ad credit to create sponsored content, so really increasing the visibility of it. Or you can use it for InMail, so contact people you're even not connected with, or to create some text ads, dynamic ads, and programmatic display ads. So there's a lot of ways you can use this ad credit, but getting it is very simple, and that's the first step. All you have to do is come to this page, and I'll put the link to this in the resources section of the video, so you can click right through, you don't have to type it out. And then just go ahead and click request credits. You can autofill with LinkedIn, and then you can go ahead and just request the credits. Now, one thing to note is that this offer is only valid for new LinkedIn advertisers, and there's a limit of 1 per customer. So that's just a caveat there to be aware of. So once you go ahead and request your credit, they are going to really send it out. So keep an eye on your email inbox, and your ad credit should arrive within the next day. And don't forget to maybe check that spam folder as they've suggested here. Now, there are also going to be some things you can watch to get prepared, and some videos and case studies you can have a look at. So it's very simple to get $50 free of ad credit. Why wouldn't you do it? And just go to the link in the description of this video and get those ad credits for yourself. They'll be with you in less than 24 hours.